Hi, it's Lynn from LynnieCDesigns. Thank you for joining me today. I'm an independent Stampin' Up demonstrator based in West Sussex in the UK. And I'm coming on to create a card for the latest Global Design Theme Challenge. I don't really know exactly what I'm doing. The theme is shapes, and our beautiful shapes dies sprung into my head immediately. And I'm going to use the hexagons, and then I'm using products from Happiness Abounds, and because I've got hexagons, I'm using the 3D Hive embossing folder. And I'm using some of the Hues of Happiness Designer Series paper. I've got a fresh freesia card base. This is half a sheet of A4, so it is 21 centimeters by 14.8 centimeters. That's right, and it's scored at 10.5. I've got a layer for the inside and a mat from the outside, and that's cut shorter. All of the dimensions and measurements and instructions will be on my blog, which there'll be a link below. And then this is the Designer Series paper. It's beautiful double-sided paper. I've got one bit that fits there, that's going to be embossed, and then I'm going to cut some shapes out of that, and I'm going to cut some shapes out of that. Then I've got a strip for the sentiment, that's basic white as well. So here we go. I've cut out, and you can see what I've done. I've layered all of those. And cut out the shape. So I've got sort of little frames of the basic white. That's really pretty. So I'm just going to pop that down straight away. Be mindful just to add the glue on the edges initially. Let's get that in place. Nice little border all the way around. I love this embossing folder, it's pretty, isn't it? So we'll pop that up to one side, and I've got these. I think I'm going to turn those that way up, and the question do I goes on there, that goes on there, so I'm going to just bring this in. Oh, now before I do that, I think no, I'm going to leave it like that. I was thinking I might bring in some glue that actually has some glue would help, Lynn. There we go. Just a tiny little bit. Yeah, I thought I might put some gold leaf on these frames, just in parts of them, but I've changed my mind. Like little picture frames. Lovely. Last one. That's the beauty of the liquid glue. It gives you a little bit of time to maneuver those about. Now I'm going to pop those onto the card base with some dimension. Let's see. I'm going to maybe just pop one of those up. So let's pop that one down with some glue. It's going to have dimensions on it. Pop that there. Make sure that that's on there like that. Hopefully that's straight. Yeah, that'll do. And then let's get, this is very simple. Let's do, oh no, we don't want congratulations, we want happy birthday. It'll fit on there perfectly. Just going to cut that at an angle. And I want to bring in some of this gold trim from the, I think it's called Elegant Trim. I'll do 3. So there's my golden elements. Now I find with that, because it's stored on a roll, it does kind of have its own way of going, if you know what I mean. So I'm going to get some, move that out of the way. Oh no, we're going to need those. Get some tear and tape. And that's it. Just secure that in place like that. Just get that on square. Yep. I need one more. Yep. Like that. What did I do with my fresh freesia? base. Now I used my snips to cut some flowers, so where do we want these flowers on there or not? Let's give these a little zhuzh up. Yes, I think we do. I'm just gonna stick those on there. Do I want that on there? I'm not sure I want that one there. I've got another. No, that's the wrong colour. That's better. A little future fresh freesia. Let's have a look. I love it when I'm decisive. I've had my card classes this week, which I think I'm going to pop that there so that it doesn't. That's better. Oh, that's done. So we'll pop that on the base. Oh, I love all the layers in that. Perfect. And then this, actually, I think, do I want to stamp? Let's have a look. Actually, we could put some flowers on the inside, couldn't we? There we go. Pop that one down there. Wishing you all the happiness you can imagine. Just very nice. Oh, made a bit of a mess. I got ink all over the place there. I think that is the ink pad that I've just re-inked, and it's a little bit juicy. Yes, I've just had my monthly card classes, which was lovely. We were missing a few people though, so sending love and hugs to Maureen, Anne-Marie and Debbie and Saffron, who's poorly in hospital. Oh, there we go. Now I think we need some gems, and I've got some of these glossy dots assortment, and get my pokey tool. See, I'm not sure do love them. They're a little bit bright. Not sure about those accents. They're very pretty. But there we are. So thank you very much for watching. I do appreciate it. I will see you next week. Bye for now.